Phylum Echinodermata. If you observe the classification of the phylum Echinodermata, there are two subphyla. First one is Palmatozoa, second one is Eleutherozoa. First one Palmatozoa, second one is Eleutherozoa. What about the first subphylum? That one is Palmatozoa. Student, Palmatozoa includes with sea lilies and sea feathers. Sea lilies, sea feathers present in this subphyla. Sea lilies. What about sea lilies? Sea lilies are sessile, attaches to substratum by the help of the stalk. Body is with stalk-like arrangement. By help of this stalk, body is attaches to the substratum. Okay. Next, student, what about feather stars? Sea lilies, feather stars present in subphyla Palmatozoa. What about feather stars? Feather star is free swimming. Free swimming. Feather star is free swimming in the water. Mouth anus present on the oral surface. Mouth and the anus present at the oral part of the body, oral surface of the body. Next, student, madreporite is absent. Madreporite, it is the part of the water vascular system or the umbilical system. It allows the entry of the surrounding water into the umbilical system or the umbilical grooves. Okay. Next, in these animals, madreporite is absent and umbilical grooves are opens. Umbilical grooves are opens to outside. Umbilical grooves are open, madreporite is absent. And it is the subphylum includes with only one of the class, that is Craniidea. Craniidea, it is only one of the class. In the subphylum Palmatozoa, one class, that is Craniidea. What about the class 1 Craniidea? These are the oldest primitive forms. Oldest primitive forms, and entire the viscera is enclosed with a calcareous test, that is called theca. Viscera, that means internal organs. Total the organs, internal organs enclosed with a calcareous substance, calcareous hard substance, calcium, which is formed by calcium carbonate. Viscera enclosed in a calcareous test, that is also called theca. Theca, student. Next, arms are biramus. Biramus means divides into two branches. Each one of the arm divide into two branches. Arms are biramus. Pinnules helps in food capture. What about the pinnules, student? Pinnules are the lateral small appendages present on the arms. Pinnules helps in food capture. 2 feet does not bear suckers. 2 feet, what about the 2 feet? 2 feet are the parts of the water vascular system or the umbilical system. These are the 2 feet are smallest tubular structures present on the umbilical grooves in each arm. 2 feet do not bear suckers. 2 feet does not bear suckers. Madreporite spines, pedicellaria are absent. Madreporite spines, pedicellaria are absent in these animals, such as sea lilies and feather stars. Some are attached to the substratum by cirri. Cirri is the stalk-like arrangement from the body, helps to attachment of substratum. Attachment to substratum. Next, development is indirect. Doliolaria larva. Larva is Doliolaria. In feather stars, such as Neometra, in feather stars, it is the larva develops into stalked sessile Pentacrinoid larva. Pentacrinoid larva. Next example, Tylocrinus, sea lily with cirri. Tylocrinus, sea lily with cirri. Bathycrinus, sea lily without cirri. Sea lily without cirri, Bathycrinus. Sea lily with cirri, Tylocrinus. Another one of the example, Neometra, that is feather star. Next, subphylum 2, Eleutherojava. Next subphylum, Eleutherojava. Eleutherojava includes with free moving. These animals are freely moves in water, freely moving, without stalk. Stalk is absent. Next, mouth is at oral surface. Mouth is at oral surface. Next, madreporite is present, student, in crinoidea. Madreporite, pedicellarian, spines absent. In these animals, madreporite, spines, pedicellarian present. Madreporite is present. Umbilical grooves are closed, student. It is important. Umbilical grooves are closed in subphyla Eleutherojava. Umbilical grooves are closed except in Asteroidea. Asteroidea, it is the one of the class that is from the subphylum Eleutherojava. In the animals belonging from the class Asteroidea, umbilical grooves are opened. Except these, all animals umbilical grooves are closed. Next, class 1. What about the class 1 Asteroidea? Asteroidea, subphylum 2, Eleutherojava, is again classified into 4 classes. In this first one, class 1 Asteroidea. Asteroidea. Asteroidea includes with the sea stars. Total the class includes with the sea stars. Okay, student. Arms are in these animals. Arms are clearly not separated from the central disc of the body. Centrally, if you observe, echinoderm belong from the class Asteroidea. Centrally is with a disc-like arrangement. Arms are not clearly separated from the central disc of the body. Next, 2 feet bear suckers. 2 feet bear suckers. Next, pedicellaria, student. Pedicellaria are the appendages on the surface of the body. Pedicellaria are 2-jawed. Pedicellaria is with 2 jaws, 2 valve-like structures. These are the pedicellaria useful in food capture and helps in defensive or helps in protection and cleaning the surface of the body. Pedicellaria helps in useful in capturing of the food particles, capturing of the prey, protection and cleaning the surface of the body. Next, madreporite is arboreal in position. Madreporite is arboreal in position. Madreporite are dorsal in position. Next, respiratory organs. Which are the respiratory organs in sea stars? These are papillae or dermal branchiae, also called skin gills. Papillae, dermal branchiae are the respiratory organs. Next, development is indirect, student. Development is with bipinnaria larva, also called brachiolaria larva. Bipinnaria or brachiolaria larva. Next examples, asterias, astropectane, pentacirrus. These are the examples for class 1 Asteroidea. Asterias, sea star, astropectane, pentacirrus. Okay, this is about the class Asteroidea.